The best way to make money with affiliate marketing, promoting products online, is not just spamming Facebook groups. That's what most people tell you. Unfortunately, you will not get serious clients there. So the best way in which I use and which most successful affiliate marketers use is through content creation. This is where you offer tips and valuable information before you direct your audience to the offer you are giving out. So let's say you are in the weight loss niche. Share tips on how to lose weight. Share free tips, and you can always ask people to check out the product you are promoting. So creating content, build a community of people who can trust you. So if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, first choose a niche, then create content with that niche. Don't just focus first on getting a product to promote. Just focus on the niche, create content on that niche, whether on TikTok or YouTube. YouTube and TikTok are the best platform you can use because it's easier to get clients on TikTok and YouTube, unlike Instagram. Some niches do well on Instagram, like the beauty and skincare niche. You can make money through affiliate marketing promoting skincare products on Instagram. So after choosing that niche, focus on being consistent in creation of content. You can use ChatGPT to give you some topics and talk about that topic. All you need to do is to change the written information into a video through make a video like this, or you can use AI like Agen to create videos that are valuable to your audience. And after creating that content for at least 1 month, 1 to 3 months, you'll just see people coming and asking you on the product you are promoting. Let's say you are in the weight loss niche. People will come asking you how to lose weight, the best product they can use to lose weight. So if you are interested with affiliate marketing and you want to get started, I have a course that goes for $12, and you can do affiliate marketing anywhere in the world, whether you are in Kenya, Nigeria, South Africa, USA, Australia, or UK. Affiliate marketing is the best way you can make money as a beginner online. So like this video, follow, and you can always DM me to learn more about affiliate marketing.